is a smooth motherfucker. Look at this shit. That sounds nasty.
This is the car.
Like, this is the ultimate supercar. Like, we're getting it in. This is a good daily. Oh shit, camera.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. Sea-Boo like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gases, dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
Yo, so we just arrived.
First time in a fucking helicopter.
You never been before?
I've only ever been chased by helicopters. I've never actually been in one. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see what's happening.
Okay, so now you're gonna have like the posh vision.
You've never been in one, actually?
I've never been in a helicopter.
He was always hiding from. Now you're gonna enjoy
sick, you know?
I've always hid from them. In lakes.
What, in
lakes?
Yeah,
For
bro,
real life?
the heat seeker, you have to fucking get underwater, bro, so they can't sniff you out. You get
No,
me?
really?
Really, bro. Helicopters, I've never really been in one, so I'm gonna get in this one now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and grab the
No, listen. Stay driver Dave on the
Gonna
floor.
call me helicopter Dave.
No.
Oh, I'm scared of heights as well. I'm just letting you know.
Pilot Dave.
Fucking up my haircut, it's fucking up my ears.
Met a Barbie, she a 10, I ain't Ken, named Charlie. Nice to meet ya, you look lovely, bet you got a bad side too like Harley. We shut down West like Carney, I flex and impress like Arnie. Hard rock, blue, lobster, calamari, rose to the sun, not a trophy's Carly. Trucks got props like farmers, clips and blades like barbers.
Hey, man, I'm just active in a helicopter.
Look at this face with the green.
Man's doing up helicopter excursions.
Ah, you can hear me, bro.
I can hear you, bro.
Big Charlie, angel face with a devilish body. You can play dangerous or dolly. You remind me of Margot Robbie. Proper girl, not a
Yo, man's are just active in a helicopter. Day in the life with the boy. Yeah, man. Hey, that's what I'm saying. Go on, I'll send it. Man, just coming in like the police, look. Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. Now this is sick.
Thank you, Kylie.
Smooth landing there. Respect, Cole. Thank you, man. Legend. This is lit. Look at them running. Start joining our community and start making money with us. There's a QR code on the screen right now. Scan it, check it out. You don't have to join it. Check it out. It's a free community. Go in there, see what's going on, see all the people that are making money with us. And if it's for you, click that link and start getting paid with us. Let's fucking go, you bastards.
Reaction tonight? You bastards, you were actually starving.
Oh, that steak looks banging though.
Get drunk of that. Say that again. Get drunk of that.
Man said, have a drink of that, look.
Yo, listen, the bill arrived. Guess the price.
I reckon it's about
With
5,000 dirham. What do you think?
4,000.
Okay. How much? You can't beat value for money, look.
Oh,
yeah, okay, 6,000 dirham.
that's 1.2k.
Okay then. You want to rock, paper, scissors? Who's paying it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You want to go again?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, okay, yeah, of course, actually, yeah.
I'll give you another chance.
Okay.
Yeah? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You silly bastard. You should have went paper.
What you would do?
No, but I done rock all 3 times. I was waiting for you to go paper and I was going to be like, yeah, fuck
I thought
it.
you would change, but we're gonna use the special cards. You need to spend at least $1 million per year to have these cards.
Look at this smooth criminal.
Let's see if it goes through.
It's a decline. You're
If it's decline, we're running.
Yo, you lot, so we're just active in Dubai. Look at the views. Like, yo, we're in the nastiest Urus in Dubai. It's got a Mansory kit on. I'm not gonna gas it like certain man do and go on like, oh yeah, it's a real Mansory, but yo, it looks fucking nasty. And like, yo, we're actually active in Dubai right now. Look at this place. The views are fucking phenomenal. And like, yo, if this ain't a reason for all of you to want to level up your shit and get out there, then I don't know what is, because I come here, this is just straight motivation. Like, yo, I'm motivated, you get me? I could, like, you know, when you're running but you're in the car, I could go for a run right now, you get me? I'm working fitness, you know what I'm saying? I'm in the gym. We've got carbon fibre everywhere, as you can see. But yeah, man, we lit it. Like, now we're gonna go link up with Switzy and see what we're getting up to. And yeah, stay tuned, man. And like, yo, if you're all wondering why the YouTube's gone a bit PG, yeah, it's because we're getting reported by someone. I don't know what they're doing, but they keep reporting us, and YouTube ain't rating it, so they've just told us keep it PG for a minute. We've got a guy in YouTube, don't worry, the channel is not going nowhere. We are patterned, you get me? We've got the link of links, but at the same time, we want to keep everyone happy, so we stay locked in with you lot, so you all know we're still there and we're still active. But yeah, it's a bit mad right now, you get me? Hopefully soon we'll be able to do some crazy shit back on YouTube, but as it stands right now, you can go over to my Telegram, which is on the screen right now, and all the crazy shit we're doing. Like, yo, I put a video in there last night of LSR and whatever we've been getting up to, because all the crazy shit we're doing, you can only see that in our Telegram now. Like, I know it's a shame and it's a bit of a pain in the arse, but it just is what it is, champs. You get me? Stay locked in and thank you for the support always. Listen to it. Nah, it sounds nasty. I'm gonna get out and do a walk around over the car. Listen, it's a bit governing. Once we pull over, I'm gonna show you the car, you know what I mean? Like, yo, this Urus, Switzy's had this Urus now for about 3 years, I'd say. And it's been a good fucking car, and you know what, it still drives the way it drove when he got it, you know what I'm saying? And it's still mint. Like, these Uruses are a good daily. Oh shit, camera. Listen to it though, just popping its head off. Like, yo, another thing as well, all you lot, I know that you see the methods working, because yo, when my cars come past, you's a HPI in them and they're coming back HPI clear, mate. No outstanding, nothing. Get me? You man can check my shit, it's clean. Spotless shit. You get me? Listen to it.
It's quite quick, it's not slow.
Like, it's been tuned 100%. You'll ask Switzy whether it's been tuned and that, he'll be like, I don't know, my fella, I just drive it. So yo, we're just in Dubai now, we're just wrapping up, we just come up here to get a few pictures with the cars and that. And like, yo, pass me that. Like, yo, taking this for a fucking dream of a motor. Like, Switzy is a smooth motherfucker, look at this shit. Whoosh then. Like, yo, he's got this car, he's got his fucking name on it. Look at the exhaust on it. Like, I've had this car while I've been here. I've also had this car as well. Them, yeah, nah, I've just been loose in all of them. Yeah, like, Switzy just gives me the cars and lets me do what I want. He just says, please don't crash them, because I love them. You did the same in the UK before me? Of course, that's what friends do. But yo, I'm just gonna go over the cars with the spec a bit. So, okay, this car here, it's got a Mansory kit on it. It's a Lamborghini Urus. Full spec, it's got every extra. As you can see, bare carbon, which is what I like the most about it. I went to get in the fucking drivers, but yeah, it's the passenger, because it's left-hand drive. Like, yo, look at it. Carbon everywhere. It's got every fucking extra. But like, yo, look at the fucking carbon, look at the wings, look at the kit, look how sick the car looks. And you would never think that this snail man has put this kit on this car. Like, yo, did you get this kit fitted? Yeah. Yeah? Did you pick it?
No, I had no clue. I just said that I want to have a nice kit.
And they just Mansuried you up?
Yeah.
Now you're a heavy bastard. So this car weren't factory Mansory, no?
No.
No. See, so you see that there, it's not factory Mansory, but Like, what is factory Mansory? Because I'm just looking at carbon fibers. Like, yo, there is just carbon fiber everywhere, and it looks absolutely sick. Like, even the wheels, look at the rims on it, like, fucking nasty ceramics. It's got every extra. It's tuned as well. I'll show you the exhaust now. Check it, look at the exhaust on it. Mansory, bro, fucking nasty. That triple exhaust is crackers. Look, the diffuser and that. Like, the thing about the boys, yeah, they do things properly. It's fucking sick. Like, as you all know, yeah, if you've been to Dubai, like, bare of the cars are just sick. Got every extra, bare different spec. Like, yo, check the carbon on it there. Like, they've thought about stuff that no one in the UK thinks of. Now, Garage 19 are going to be doing kits that are inspired by this, so you will be able to have your car looking like this in the UK if you hit us up. And yeah, I'm going to move on to the 3 RS now. You know a lot about these already because I've just recently purchased one. You just see my YouTube on it. Fucking sickest car on the road, and anyone in the comment section can try and knock it and say they're not, but unless you've felt one, I drive one around the track. You can check it on my YouTube. It's there, the video of me absolutely sending it on around the track. It held the beating all fucking day. And like, yo, when I tell ya, like, this is the ultimate supercar. Like, a lot of people be saying, oh, Ferrari, this, that, the other. Bollocks. Has your Ferrari got a spoiler that goes up and down? Has your Ferrari got carbon fiber all over it? And has your Ferrari got bits of the bumper missing for G-force? No, it ain't. Like, yo, this car is absolutely cold. Like, take it in, look, it's full spec as well. It's a Weissach edition. You get me carbon roll cage. Real Weissach editions only have carbon roll cage. Half of the other ones, they come basic spec. They're not proper, like carbon buckets, carbon here. Like, yo, if you know me, you know that I love carbon. You see these cars here? Absolute weapons, I'm telling you. Like, if you get the joy of feeling one or owning one, congratulations to you, because I tell you one thing, I fucking love mine. Now we're gonna move on to the smooth operator. You get me? When I'm just feeling smooth and I don't want to be stunting, I just back out the Cully, you get me?
No, but you need one in Dubai because there is too much traffic, bro.
You're not. You know what, for comfort, I'll be honest, like, there ain't really nothing like a Cully. And not just that as well, it's fucking bossy, bro. Look at it. Like, yo, this car is fucking sick. And not just that, this is the facelift edition as well. So you see the front lights, how the lines go down there, like that. Like, yo, this here, this is some serious drip, some big pimping, some salsa. Used to be Ron. Get me? If you know, you know. But when I'm in this Cully, I feel like £1,000,000. This rich bastard just be earning us all bread, and he's just cruising around in this Cully putting trades on, or he's in the 3 RS, or he's in the Switzermobile. You get me? This is what he calls the Switzermobile. It's his version of the Batmobile. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be honest, it fits the profile. Like, yo, look at it, it's fucking cold. Like, yo, Dubai is a sick place. Like, take it in, lads. We're just here, we're on top of the world right now. Look at the views, it's so busy. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you know what I mean? It's an active place. There's all types of cultures, there's all types of different things going on, and everyone's busy. It's like a massive version of London, really. That's the only way I can really put it there, but a lot safer. Like, yo, just take them in. One more look at the cars, yeah? Oh, Switzy.
Yeah.
What you reckon, man? You know what, the fans are all gonna be wondering, yeah, how does somebody manage to earn enough money to own all 3 of these cars? No lease, no finance, no rent, no bullshit. Like, what do they do?
I have the Cyber Beast also, but I just didn't bring it.
You have the what?
Cyber Beast.
Yeah, but that's shit. You can't
you
bring that
like
around me. It's electric. So how does somebody start off and build their profile to have a fleet of cars like this?
Well, at the beginning, everyone is starting from the scratch. You know, you don't have no knowledge, you don't know how to invest, but through the time and patience, bro, you just happen. You know, same thing for you. Look at your fleet.
You never know.
You know what I mean? Like,
I'm fucking smashing it. We're getting it in. But yo, Switzy, fuck me. What was your first car that you ever had?
McLaren 570 GT.
That's the first car.
Yeah.
That's your first car.
Yeah,
you got your driving license and thought, I'm buying a McLaren.
Yeah.
You smooth bastard.
Yeah.
Like, yo, you know, if you lot want a McLaren, yeah, let me just show you something now. It's fucking easy to get one. Like, yo, you just gotta get on your graph. Look, today I've earned £10,446 on a Monday in Dubai, in the sun, look, chilling, looking at the views. Yo, all thanks to Switzy. Like, Switzy, tell all the fans in this video now how they can go about start earning money with us.
It's easy, like we have a free community, like we're not charging for a course, a mentorship, like none of this bullshit. Everything we do is purely and entirely free, you know. So in case you guys want to learn how to make money from your phone, it's very simple. Just scan the QR code right here and we're gonna show you the exact path. And I think you can even put some testimonials, like people who have like 9-5 jobs are just killing it.
So that's in English, yeah? I'm gonna tell you in English now, yeah, because you know Switzy's got a twang. You know what I'm saying? If you just want to start joining our community and start making money with us, there's a QR code on the screen right now. Scan it, check it out. You don't have to join it. Check it out. It's a free community. Go in there, see what's going on, see all the people that are making money with us. And if it's for you, click that link and start getting paid with us. Let's fucking go, you bastards.
DRIVADAVE, C-boot like still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake, big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad, giving out gaps is dinner it man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks, man can't do it like us, that's cap.